So this is my 2016 Yamaha XT250. I've owned this bike for about 3 years now. I bought it back around December of 2016. I figured I'd make this video and share my thoughts about owning this bike for almost 3 years. This is actually the second bike that I've ever owned. Been riding since 2015. First bike I ever bought was the 2015 Honda CBR250R, but I've only had that bike for a couple of months. I just outgrew it, and I figured I would upgrade it to like a 600cc sport bike. But my thoughts have changed after that. After watching, some moto vloggers riding these types of bikes, I figured, I'd give it a shot because it looks like fun. It's a bike where you can like go anywhere with it. You can take it on-road, off-road. I mean, right here, all that land, I could take it, mess around with it. And it's fun. It's a fun bike. These bikes are great. And I mean, yeah, it's coming from a 250 to another 250. But like, when it comes to these bikes, I would consider these to be like the ultimate beginner's bike for anybody that's like interested in getting these types of bikes. And the reason why is because, well, with the Japanese, like Yamaha, they're really reliable bikes. You can drop them, and there wouldn't be any issues with it. I've dropped these bikes so many times I lost count. Like right here's a scratch. Yeah, it was like some off-road, and then after that I got on-road, so I got a little cute with it, so I dropped it. But it's all good though. I'm gonna turn it up real quick. So right now I got almost 6,000 miles on it right now. Let's see if I can start it up though. And after owning this bike for about, what's that, 3 years now, I've never really had any issues with it. Never had any issues with it. Just been doing my routine maintenance, oil change probably like once a year or every 3,000 miles. Can't really think of anything else that I've had issues with. I mean, just my basic oil change, and I've never really, I'm still riding with my original tires. I'm gonna turn on the exhaust real quick so you guys can listen to it. Kind of want to get that FMF exhaust, but just haven't had the time to get it. It's a pretty sick bike though. The only thing that I don't like, it's because it's a 250, these aren't great on the highway, but for a great city bike, commuting bike, if you want to go on a country road, or you got a little trail or something on the way to work, this would be the perfect bike to go. And also a long-term bike. With my CBR250R, I couldn't do much with it. I couldn't take it to the highway. I can only take it on the back roads or, commuting roads or whatever. But with this bike, I can take it anywhere I want. I can take it to this field of land right here. There's like little hills, so I can take a little jumps and stuff. I rode up some stairs, up down stairs and stuff like that. But this is the ultimate beginner's bike. And if anybody that is trying to learn how to ride and stuff, I would suggest starting out with these bikes. And you probably just end up keeping these for a couple of years. But although I've had a great time with this bike, I might consider selling this. I'm not sure. Probably getting like the CRF450L, Honda CRF450L, or like one of those Euro 450 dual sports. But I don't know, those are more pricier than the Japanese 250s. But it's not going to be anytime soon, so I figure I'd give you my review of owning this bike. Again, I've just been doing oil changes, regular maintenance. I've never really had any major issues with this bike. I mean, These bikes are bulletproof, and if you want something that'll last you for a long time and have fun on the twisties and have fun off-road and on-road and wherever the hell you want to go, as long as it's not the highway, then this is the bike to go. Thanks for watching, and if you like any more videos, just subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks.